Let's talk about Forex. People who watch this video and know some information about Forex, it's better to move to another videos because this video is for people who are new to Forex. Here I will tell you how to do it quickly so you could save your time and money, and explain step by step what you need to do for starting Forex. First of all, you need to find basic information about Forex, and remember that this information must be for free because you can find it everywhere. It's not a secret information that you should spend money on. For example, if you check it on Google, you can see that there is many information. Forex basic information. I was checking some before. You can see here many links. I was clicking on this link first and I didn't see any links. Here you can check any link you want, but actually we're searching for books, and here I saw some books in this link, but I didn't download these books. No, 18 share keys. Okay, let's check this one. Let's check this one. Point figures 45. Green Japanese. It's very good to read about Japanese candles as well. Let's download it. Let's check this book. Actually, I don't see any pictures here. An examples of one picture, second picture. I don't like this book. Let's check this one. Only text, no pictures, no examples. Very bad book. Don't read this book. Introduction to Forex. Actually, this is the first website where I found books, but I think there are many websites where you can find and download some good books for reading. This book is not good as well because no pictures, nothing, only text. You will read it and you will forget it quickly. Yeah. You have to find a book where you can see about candles, about classic patterns, trends, everything, in every information that can bring you first steps for starting trading. Okay, after you have downloaded some information about Forex, you can find a broker where you can test your trading. Let's check that in Google. Forex brokers. There was top 100 list of brokers. Here it is, and you can check these brokers and download their platform and test your trading. I prefer using MetaTrader 4 platform. It is more comfortable for me to use and see charts. And if you, for example, download MetaTrader 4 platform as well, you choose a broker you like, and you check the platform and test your trading on them account. Then if you want to trade on real money, you must find a reliable broker, open an account with it and start your trading. For example, Alpari has a MetaTrader 4 platform. I think this Fresh Forex has MetaTrader. Forex Club, I don't know. FX, maybe this one has. Forex for you. This just for testing. You can download any broker's platform. Of course, you can visit courses about Forex in your town. Some brokers providing that. You can watch video on YouTube about Forex. So get information as you wish. My advice is to download some information from internet and you can get involved in Forex for 1 or 2 days.